This beautiful mid-century ranch is located in the desirable Bayside community of Edgewood. The expansive living room with a brick fireplace and a bow window makes for an ideal place to entertain. The open kitchen design features stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, a lovely subway tile backsplash, and flows into the dining area with vintage built-in cabinetry. Finishing the main level are 2 generous bedrooms, 2 full tile baths with pedestal sinks and glass door showers, and a delightful study or home office. Just outside the kitchen is the rear stone paver patio, where you can enjoy alfresco dining in the beautifully landscaped garden. An oversized one-car garage and an unfinished lower level provide plenty of room for storage or future expansion. The Edgewood neighborhood and nearby Patuxent Village, with its quaint New England seaside vibe, is filled with local restaurants, pubs, and boutiques. The area's proximity to the water makes this a prime spot for boaters, with the popular Rhode Island and Edgewood yacht clubs. Several local parks are close by, including Roger Williams Park, with a renowned zoo, botanical gardens, carousel, and several walking paths. Edgewood is just minutes from downtown Providence and all the arts and culture available in the creative capital. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim DeRentis at area code 401-529-2188.